All right, so in this video, we're going to look at how to sort a range of data. This is a great little trick and tip to use when you're faced with the problem of having to put kids in order, maybe off of school and then alphabetized by last name, off a grade level and then alphabetized by last name. Anytime you have to sort by multiple criteria, this is the tool to use. So we're going to start first by selecting the range where information is. What's important to know here is I just don't want to select this. If I do that, it's going to sort what's in blue and leave everything else the same, which when you're dealing with test scores, it's not going to be correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the entire range of what I want to sort. So I'm going to include the ID, I'm going to include the test scores, and I'm also going to include the demographic information. Now I'm going to click on data. I'm going to go to sort range, not these first four, but sort range. That'll bring up this little prompt here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, yes, it has a header row. Reason why you want to do this is it's a little bit easier when you have a really long spreadsheet to click here and get the name of the header instead of column A, B, C, and all that sort of stuff. So I'll go ahead and click data as a header row. And we're going to organize this off of period. So first it's going to group all of my kids together based off of period. Then it's going to take that group and it's going to rearrange them based off of grade. And then it's going to take that group and I'm going to do it off of last name. And you can change the order if you want A to Z or Z to A, completely up to you and whatever you need to make this work. So again, we have sort by period, then by grade, then by last name. Now I just go ahead and click sort and you'll see it moves some kids around. So now all here in blue are all my kids in first period. Oops, forgot one. And then from there, they were grouped based off a grade level and then put into alphabetical order. So again, sort range, awesome tool for when you have a big set of data and you need to organize it based off of multiple criteria. Highly suggest looking into it. Saves you a lot of time and also prevents a lot of copy and paste errors.